Are you worried about the expense of getting into your first home? Are you worried about the down payment? I know most people say you need 20%. That's just not the case. You can actually get into a home for as little as 3% down. I'm Dave with Fairway Independent Mortgage. I'm a residential mortgage lender, and I help people finance their dreams by walking them through the loan process in an easy and understandable way so that they can make the best decision for them and their family. Most programs are going to be beneficial to you at 5%. 20% is an interesting number for people because that's where you don't pay mortgage insurance. We talk about that in another video. So now that you know you only need as little as 3% to get into a home, where can we get that money? The funds that you use for a down payment come from you. So you've got to come up with 3% of the purchase price. That can come from your own funds that's been in your account for at least 60 days. It can come from a gift from a relative, a mother, brother, an aunt, an uncle, anyone who's interested in seeing you purchase a home. In addition to that, if you don't have the 3% down, but you still want to purchase a home, we have several down payment assistance programs, check my other video on that too, that will help you get the down payment money that you need to get into a home. So if you're worried about the down payment, don't be. There's nothing to worry about. Just give me a call. All my contact information is below, and we'll walk you through the steps to home ownership.